Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips press against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a bathroom deep clean, so I'm going to be cleaning my ensuite bathroom as well as my main bathroom. They don't get done as often as they should, so I really need to crack on and get them both finished today. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. As you can see, it's pretty bad. It's covered in toothpaste and hair and everything else. So I'm going to go in with the Method bathroom spray and just give everything a good wipe over, starting with the shelf. Then I'll be doing the sink and the windowsill before moving on to the toilet. I do want to go around the bathroom and just give everything a good clean today. Like I said, they don't get done as often as they should. So when they do have a proper good clean.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out.
So when it comes to doing the toilet, I do prefer to go over it with the anti-bac wipes before going in with the microfiber cloth and the spray. The wipes just get rid of any dust and stuff before giving it a good spray over with the Method bathroom spray, just to make it nice and fresh.
What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
So once I've finished doing everything else, I then move on to the shower, and I always do it in this order. I'm not really sure why, but the shower always gets left until last. And I'm just going to go in with the washing up liquid and the white vinegar mix and give it a good scrub over just to make it nice and shiny. I'm going to go ahead and leave that mix on for 5 to 10 minutes while I then clean the outside. I am going to be going back in with the white vinegar spray and the squeegee just on the outside of the shower to get rid of any marks and splodges. The white vinegar spray is amazing on anything glass, chrome or mirrored, so I definitely recommend this, and this is why I add it to the washing up liquid on the inside, because it just makes everything sparkle.
Kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
So once I've rinsed it all off, I'm then going to go back in with the Method glass spray on the outside, mainly just to add the fragrance. I absolutely love this. It smells of mint and it's just so fresh and clean. So I want to hide some of the white vinegar scent and just add more of the minty scent. So I'm just going to go back over the top, wiping off any watermarks that were left, and of course adding in the fragrance.
Your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes.
So So the final thing that I want to do with the shower is give it a good spritz over with the Method shower spray. This stuff smells incredible and it just helps everything stay streak free for longer, so I always do this after a good clean. I'm then going to clean off the mirror with the Method glow spray, and it's just now a case of putting everything back where it belongs and getting everything neat and tidy. So I'm now in the main bathroom and I'm just going to do the same thing again, starting off by clearing everything out because I do prefer to clean when it's a blank canvas. I hate having to clean around things, so I'm just going to take everything out so it's easier for me to go in and give everything a good clean.
I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. Ooh, I feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers.
So I'm just going to spray over the whole of the bath with the same Method spray. Give it a good wipe over with my microfiber cloth and also a minky just to get rid of anything else that is stuck to it, because I have so much conditioner and shampoo stuck to the bottom of this bath at the moment. It definitely needs a good scrub.
Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. Ooh, I feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers.
So I'm just going to use up the rest of the mix that I had for the Ensuite and do this shower screen as well, and then on the outside I'm going to use the gloss spray. Now this shower screen, it never gets as bad as the Ensuite, so I don't need to do as much to this one, so I am just going to use the gloss spray on the outside instead of the white vinegar as well, and I think this just makes it super sparkly and it also smells amazing. So once everything's been rinsed off and everything else has had a good clean, the final thing that I want to do is crack on with the toilet, and I'm going to go in doing the same thing as before, using the anti-bac wipes first and then going in with the spray afterwards, just to make sure that it is nice and clean.
Wait a second, I don't need you, then why so settled? I withdrew, still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stay too much, cause you don't understand. You got me gone, you don't understand. You got me gone, but sometimes I might be a bit
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If you did, then don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. I would love to have you a part of my little YouTube family and I don't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe using the subscribe button down below and also turn on the notifications, and I will see you back here in the next one.